You gotta look at the spoon.
First bit of applesauce.
What do you think?
Mmm.
What do you think?
Mmm.
Yummy. But you gotta get used to the spoon, not just the applesauce. Here.
Oh.
What do you think, Mushy?
That's good, right?
That is yummy. Should Mommy try it? Mommy's gonna try it. It's applesauce. How can you not like it? It's applesauce. Come here. Come here, me and Yummies are eating the same food.
It's applesauce. Have a spoon. Ooh, you didn't even let it go in your mouth.
Here. This is not too successful. But she's definitely not. She's doing better. Okay, let's get more. Let's get more. Look.
You let them, yeah.
Good girl, Emma. Good girl. Wipe your mouth. It's very good.
Very proper.
Yeah,
you learned that from Pee Wee Herman?
One more. Open up. You gotta open. Open. What do you think? The reason you shouldn't start with that is because there's gonna be